What is up, boys? I'm back with okay, I go with sellers here. I'm back, man, with another trading session. Today, I want to take some trades with candlestick psychology as usual. So you see this strong drop from this level. Okay, this is the level which created, this strong drop from here. Okay, so it's gonna drop. Okay, but we have a pattern here. You see the drop, retracement, and the next candle should be red, right? I go one more trade here because there's higher probability to reject the candle. Otherwise, I have to go with 600 to make the loss up, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a red or weak buyer's candle. Okay, beautiful. 2, 1. Okay, yeah. So I entered manual mode because I was thinking about that. Even if this candle is a weak buyer's candle, the next candle is gonna drop. So if it goes up, I really want to go with sellers because we had a strong drop here and it got 2 retracements. This retracement didn't have a higher high, so this is pretty short trade. Okay, this one. Okay, let's see. This is a strong level too. Okay, you see the previous time rejected from here, and the next time strong candle stopped with this level, which means that this level is pretty strong. Okay, so I'm gonna draw a line here just to see what's happening. Okay, this line. Okay, the blue level. Okay, you see this strong rejection here. So I will enter for a trade. The price reaches this line because this is a strong rejection point. Go up a little bit. Let's see, we have 1 minute. Yes, 21. Okay, I go with sellers here, but we see some strong buyers in the market. Yeah, that's because of this level. Okay, we picked the buyers from here. If we didn't like to touch this area, this trade would win. This trade would win because we have strong rejections based on this trend line here. Okay, we have crazy buyers in the market. And also the level here, I go with sellers after this for 2 trades. 1. No, I go with buyers because you see how strong this is. I believe it's gonna go up because I have experience going with the sellers here, this kind of situation, but the buyers entered like a skyrocket here. I go with buyers here with a little bit of marginal safety, but if this candle was rejecting and closing somewhere here, that would be a sell. You see how the scenarios change in last seconds, that the buyers are crazy strong. They're gonna reject. They're trying to retrace, but they do their retracement in lower time frames, and they're not gonna close down here. They might have a retracement, okay, retracement and then go up because this trend is so strong. They must just have a retracement and then reject. And yeah, my entry is also good. 2, 1. You see the buyer's entry. Okay, beautiful. Let's change it. Okay. You see this strong drop. Okay, so the first thing we see in this market is strong drop. The next thing we see is that this price right here is trying to make higher lows instead of lower lows. Okay, these are lower low, and then they decide to make lower highs. Okay, so high low. So the price is kind of trying to reverse. Okay, and this level is the level that previously broke and didn't retest yet. You see that they are trying to retrace this level, but I will draw the line from here because this is the common rejection point. You see the common rejection point. So this is gonna be my level. Unfortunately, it didn't close here. That would be perfect if this candle closed here, but you know, you see that. Yeah. Let's see. Let's draw the other trend line here. You see the trend line here. But I believe they're gonna break this sooner or later. Just gonna wait my setup. Okay. This is perfect place to you know, to buy the market here, because we have a round number. You see the round number, and also we have a trend line. We have, you know, demand area, everything. Let's see how this candle is gonna close. If this candle closes right off here, I mean, that would be perfect. I hope it doesn't reject, please. Yes, but you see the sellers are pretty strong. That makes me. Okay, I go with buyers, no problem. Oh man, it's one more trade. Okay, I did 2 trades here because, you know, my first trade is a two minute trade, and yeah, sometimes it just changes the trade time. I don't know what the hell is happening, but it is what it is. Okay, so I took this trade, and I will explain it after this candle closing. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So the reason why I took this trade is because you see the strong drop. Okay. First you see the drop. I will draw for you. This is the drop, drop. And now we trying to, like, we didn't make a lower low. Okay. When we had the last drop, we made a lower, you know, lower high here. So it's trying to do something like this. Okay. So the trend is trying to change. The first thing I noticed when the price was here. So the next thing, we have a demand area here. I told you about week over week. Okay. And the next thing, we have a trend line here. Okay. So yeah, this trade would be perfect. But about this trade, which is running still, it's I didn't mean to take a 2 minute trade. Okay, that closed right here, because you know, this pocket option, I'm sure you have seen that it changes the trade time and drives me crazy for that. I don't know what the hell happening. Okay, so okay, yeah, I'm just gonna change the pair. The reason why I trade OTC most of the time is because OTC doesn't change this. But my first trade was on Euro GBP, I guess, and those real market pairs like tend to change this, and yeah. But the OTC doesn't change. It's risky, but it doesn't change. So okay. Okay, I'm looking for taking a lower option if this candle closes somewhere here. Okay, because these buyers are fake here. Okay, they're gonna enter, but they're gonna reject, because the buyer's entry point at this point is this trend line. Okay, we have a downtrend price channel. The trend line is the buyer's entry. So okay, I go with sellers here because we had a strong rejection previous time. You see the strong rejection, plus we had this level which is broken and it has to retrace. You see the buyers enter pretty crazy. Okay, I go double trade here. Okay, because you see this doji here. You see doji here. I told you about dojis in my previous video, that when we have a doji and we have, you know, a ranging kind of, you know, healthy market. I mean, the green and red candles in the trend. We can trust the Doji, okay? This is the Doji break strategy. Doji break. When we have a Doji and we break this Doji instantly with rejections, and weak candles, so the buyer is gonna enter here. Buyer is gonna enter here, and this is one of my favorite trades to take. Okay, that's it. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you did learn something useful, please drop a like for me, because that's a big inspiration to make videos like this. And thank you for watching. Peace out.